Hojik mang do uriba gari se koi Mercedes company gini ko. Ado kai kai lege si matang da habet basic koi details khang min na bagi kudong saw do logjage. Koi sarmal lai re ado mark se koi local na ta bani na dam Hindi da dum wari do sana lage ko. Hindi je kya am ko bi be de Hindi je koi di kai no na tam ni na ko khara dum kena tawrani ko. Ado hojrage. Hello sir, welcome
Hi.
to my channel.
Welcome. Thank you so
सर
much.
इस तरफ आ जाइए. अच्छा, थैंक यू. सर आज मैं इसके बारे में थोड़ा हमारा व्यूअर्स को थोड़ा इसके बारे में थोड़ा बता दीजिए.
ठीक है.
क्या नाम है और इसका प्राइस सब डिटेल्स बता दीजिए.
We are from Mercedes-Benz Okham Motors, Guwahati.
अच्छा.
And we sell Mercedes-Benz cars in entire 8 states of Northeast India. So it's good to be in Imphal after a long time.
Okay.
We thank the organizers for inviting us. So this is Mercedes AMG GLA 35.
Okay.
It's the AMG variant of the GLA vehicle. So it's a petrol one, but a 4-wheel drive.
Okay.
The ex-showroom price is at 59 lakhs.
Is there any diesel option also?
Yes. GLA comes in diesel variant also,
Okay.
GLA 220D. But this is a petrol one.
This is petrol one.
So AMG basically these are performance vehicle.
Okay.
They are more into thrills, speed, performance.
And what is the BHP of this?
300.
300.
Yeah.
Oh. So tell me about something in front looks.
You can see the AMG grille. Normally this grille comes only in the AMG series of Mercedes-Benz. Okay. And if I want to show you the interior of the car, it has got a turbo engine, 4-wheel drive.
4-wheel drive turbo engine.
Yes.
Okay.
You can see आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, this is the display of the car, quite sporty finish with the seats.
Look at that. I come from that side.
Yeah.
Okay. Si mamangi look se on dum phajai go gari se. Ma interior ki matang da ma hapet chaw hom hayan gi ko. Okay. I shom de changa ge mani.
I'll pull the seat.
Okay.
In the front.
Electrically adjustable.
It's auto.
Okay.
Yes.
Here is the dashboard.
Yes.
Of this car. Okay, sir. Tell me.
So if I start the vehicle,
okay,
it's showing we need to put
this is automatic.
Yes, this is automatic.
Okay.
So there the switch means if I press it down, it is drive.
Okay.
If I put it up, it's reverse, and N is for neutral and P is for parking.
Okay.
This car has got 64 different types of ambient lighting.
64.
Yes, the car has got 64 lights, type of lights here.
Okay.
So you can see the green light is on right now.
Yes.
So you can just rotate your hand and make it like to any color you want, like blue. The interior of the car is blue now.
Wonderful.
This has got the wireless charger. If you just keep your phone here, it will get charged.
Okay.
These are the keys, AMG keys.
Okay.
You can close it, and this is the mouse pad. Basically this acts like a computer screen, right?
Okay.
So you can operate the car from here itself, see?
Okay, just like mouse.
Yes, this is the mouse pad.
Mouse pad.
Yes, this is the mouse pad.
Okay. And this is the AC vent.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the dashboard box, and we have a box here also
there
to
is
keep
also
your
a lot of space inside.
Yes, documents.
And charging point is also.
No. This got a wireless charger.
Oh.
Just keep your phone there; it will charge.
Okay. Then. And what is this inside?
You can keep your you have got all these points, cable points.
Oh, cable points.
Apart from that, if you want to keep your stuffs, documents, papers, all these things,
okay,
you can keep it here.
And any other features?
Yes, we have got the sunroof, panoramic
sunroof.
Yes.
Okay.
This gives you a nice view of the entire thing.
And
you can auto adjust all your seats from the front, from this side also, based on your height and length, based on your sitting position.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how many airbags in this?
6 airbags.
6 airbags.
Yeah. So when it comes to Mercedes-Benz, safety is a must.
Okay.
So airbags are there, airbags are there. Airbag is here, airbag is here. 4 in the front and 2 in the back.
Okay.
Yes.
And what is the function of these buttons? Tell me.
So you can just, this is home screen basically, and this is to operate. This is to and fro, left and right.
Okay.
And if you just press it here, see navigation.
Okay.
You can just say, "Hey Mercedes," you know.
Okay.
And if you, this is for navigation. So I need to back it. I need to press it here.
Okay.
There's the phone connection over that side. You can connect your own phone for your music and everything. Radio, media, comfort, the performance. These are certain inbuilt facilities from the car. These are certain settings.
And in this seat, there is no ventilated. No ventilated.
AMG, no, not in AMG.
no
It comes in the normal one.
Okay.
But you can extend your seats like comfortably.
Oh,
Like this, yes.
thigh support can extend.
Thigh support can be extended.
Okay then.
The speakers are over here. They have got the original Bumster sound system.
Okay.
Bumster is a very high quality music system for Mercedes-Benz, especially designed for Mercedes-Benz.
And what is the function of all these buttons?
These are for, you know, all the like
all this,
pull it up and
okay.
see. And if I need to push it down, it will close.
Sige buttons sige loy mak sunroof sige matang loy mak sana ba yado ni ko.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Yeah.
Then tell me about
The back, you know, it's a 5-seater, so you can pull it down for your own.
this one?
Yeah, yeah. If you just pull it down. Oh, this one. No, no. This will not. This is a 5-seater, so 3 person can comfortably sit here.
Okay.
1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
Yeah. The boot space is at the back.
Isofix styles also.
Yes, yes. Isofix is
2
there.
Isofix styles. Okay, speakers.
The speakers are attached there.
Speakers yaorasu.
Yes, yes.
All headrests are adjustable, and
You have handrest over at the side.
okay, yes yaorasu go. Kut paipam kopam yaorasu, hook yaorasu, light also here.
It has got enough space at the back, so I can pull my seats.
Okay.
The driver or the passenger can, you know, pull it from.
Okay, knee rooms.
Yes, yes.
So lots of knee room here. Okay. And
it's more of a sporty finish. The seats and everything are in
okay, and here it's also softest material,
leather
wrap and fabric. You know, this is ambient light chudum chin yaorasu.
Yes.
The SC vents. This is something you can keep something coins and anything like. Aduga sigi mayai si madi kitang hum oireko a bit and pocket is also here. Okay. Howzik maning lom dagi amu yengse. Let's check out from the back side. Yes. So what about the boot space of this car?
So you have got this. Normally, we in the normal series, the tire. This is the spare wheel, basically,
Which is spare wheel.
The back. But in the AMG,
okay,
it stays here.
Okay. This is the porcelain tray.
So you can pull it off and it can be kept away. Also.
Okay.
No? This.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
To create more space in.
And this back row seat also foldable, na?
No.
Not foldable.
Not foldable. They're fixed.
Okay.
They have enough space for you actually.
Okay.
And you press it here.
Automatic close
cameras and 360-degree sensors and everything.
Okay.
The AMG logo.
Okay.
With the car model.
Okay. So this is the model of this car. Okay. This is all our LED, na?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
High performance LEDs.
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯩ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ so sensor and where is the camera back camera okay sida back camera je sida leireba moi haise moi se automatically apna reverse lakpa kanda si automatically open toroga adun ulakani hai
Let me show you.
okay okay I just
We'll show it how the
Okay,
back camera pops up.
back camera combine to okay the minutes ago so mine is college pure go so is college mine to look on camera they get pan tanda okay adagi tire ga se him
Here's the AMG alloy wheels. Normally this comes in AMG series only.
okay and the side looks yamna phaze it looks so good and what about this ground clearance of this
170.
170 mm magi 170
We came all the way from Guwahati to Imphal and we didn't touch anywhere, so we have sufficient ground clearance for off-roading and
okay why Imphal dagi got this Imphal of the kamta ground clearance matang problem kem leite na hai go asine akogi hariba gari sigi adu mamangi akogi CDRL si yam yeng yam phajai ko adi projector nga tani ko home koi compartment home di yaw go manale
these are multi-beam LED.
huh
Multi-beam LED.
okay
Yeah.
that's mine le go logo was yeng yam phajai ko Mercedes and Benz and
This is
Thar
yeah. This is the original Mercedes-Benz logo. Here comes the vehicle logo, and this is the logo of AMG.
and is there any like ADAS feature
We don't have ADAS feature.
okay sensor dum yaw go
Yes,
here is also
sensors
sensor in the front this yaw go ayamba feature se lo yaw re have dare okay ado ngasi di side sum lo sinjarage okay sir thank you
Thank you.